mentang ini khmih khubor politik kaba penmi jingkali halor ke jinglong jingman kaseng UDP United Democratic Party u Bah Paul Lyngdoh ula klibiang ya karai jong kaseng pynkylla ya ki Myntri Sorkar kaba lashim arbnai menshwa da kaba u Pynrem ya ke Jingbym dan ke Jinglong Shisha ha ke politik u Bah Paul Lyngdoh pynpaw ya ke jingkuslai jong u namar ke jingdo kam la jong Henry namar ke Jingbym buat ya ki kyndon jongka Jinglong Shisha ha ke politik u penshai ba sau sngi shwa ke Jingbujli Myntri ha ke Jingkren ya ke foundation de ke UDP u President jong ke parti ula keren shai khmat ki ba bat kilat thai kubor ba kyndon kanu ke jingtmu ban pynkylla ya ki Myntri Kiba dei jong ke UDP u Bah Paul ula kdoru ba ha ke jingyelang ke Central Co-ordination Committee ke UDP ke balong shibnai shwa ke Jingbujli ke komiti kalarai ba kyndon kanu ke jingtmu ban pynkylla ya ki Myntri u Bah Paul u pynpaw ba ke Jingpynkylla mardor ya karai ke bala penmi da u President bat ke CC kalong ke ba penmi jingkeli ya ke jinglong jingman hapo ke parti ke jingkeli biang u Bah Paul Lyngdoh ke pynpaw ya ke Jingbym long shai ha kirai ki bahe ha ke politik hato ke seng UDP kan penshai biang halor kini ki jingkeli.
I don't think it has anything personal, nothing to do with my being personally disappointed. It is a matter of ethics and how one practices ethics in politics. Because just 4 days before the cabinet reshuffle, we had the celebration of the foundation day, and it was entirely carried out by the Shillong district of the UDP. The program, the funding, everything was done by the Shillong city district, and also the president of the party record speaking to the media and saying that we have no plan of such a reshuffle where the UDP is concerned. Also, the CEC had met a month before this chain of events occurred. A few members had raised the issue of whether there will be a reshuffle of ministers belonging to the UDP, since there is an imminent cabinet reshuffle happening. And it was the president of the United Democratic Party chairing the CEC who said we have no such intention. Those were his words. So that's all I can share with you.